Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about this Love Me hair lace closure wig. The hair is actually colored straight out of the box, and as you guys can tell, I am feeling myself. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this hair without any glue or gel or spray. Yep, no glue, no gel, no spray, nothing whatsoever. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. The hair actually came in this gorgeous packaging, and this packaging comes with loads of amazing goodies. You have a wig comb, a wig cap, and herring, which I'm actually wearing in this video. And you also get the headband or elastic band to pull your hair down if you're using any glue or gel. And bear in mind that the hair actually has been pre-bleached straight out of the box. I mean, the knots has been bleached straight out of the box. It also comes with an elastic band which is adjustable, and this is what I actually use to install this hair. It came with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back as well, and it's actually pre-colored straight out of the box. And yeah, so this is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. So I cut off the excess lace, and you can be done with this. Just cut the lace, you will be good to go. But as you guys already know, we always have to go a step further just to give that bow pow look to our wig. So yeah, we done. No, we're not. So yeah, I sprayed the heat protection spray on the hair, and I used the hot comb to further melt the hair down, like give it that flat profile at the front, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's all I did at this part, and you can actually just walk out the door, you'll be good to go. But you know what, we actually love to take it a step further, so I then straightened the hair. But before then, I applied my Fenty Beauty powder at the parts just to accentuate the parts a bit more. And yeah, that was it. So I went ahead and then sprayed the heat protection spray all over the hair, because we're going to be straightening this hair, guys. You don't have to do this, but I have to, just to show you guys this hair is actually 100% human hair. You can dye it, you can tongue it, you can coil it, you can do whatever you like to this hair. But for me, I am feeling this gorgeous color, so I don't need to do anything to it. But yeah, so I straightened the hair for you guys to see. Look at that. The hair is super silky and very soft to touch. No shading or tangling whatsoever throughout the styling of this hair. And yeah, I love the fact that the hair has a gorgeous lustrous review straight out of the box, so you might not even need to apply any product on the hair. But as always, we need to protect our hair while applying any sort of heat to the hair, even our natural hair. So that makes sense, yeah. So yeah, I did the same thing on the other side. You guys can already tell that the hair is giving, like it's giving what it's supposed to give. And yeah, I was feeling myself. So yeah, I'm actually wearing the hair as I speak, and I've been getting loads of compliments. I received loads and loads of compliments because the hair color is so unique, so gorgeous, and so perfect for my skin tone. And trust me, this would definitely suit anyone, any skin tone, yeah. And the length is perfection. The hair is also true to length as well. So yeah, I did the same thing on the other side. You can actually decide to go for tongue if you like, but since the hair came straight, I decided to straighten the hair for you. At some point in this video, I actually called the front bit just to be sure that the hair can hold curls, which I'm quite impressed with. So yeah, I did the same thing on the other side. I straightened the hair from the back to the front. So bear in mind that the only thing we use to install this hair is the elastic band that came in the construction of the cap. No glue, no gel, no spray. Yeah, you heard me right, and I'm going to show you guys in the middle of this video. So yeah, I straight I straightened the hair on the other side as well, so yeah. And yeah, everything I did in this video is self-explanatory, so you can just watch and enjoy. You guys, the quality of this hair, I can't explain. It's just amazing. It's phenomenal. It's the best bob hair I've tried in ages. You guys already know when it comes to quality hair, Love Me Hair don't compromise. They're the best, one of the best vendor that I work with, and I'm proud to see it anywhere. Voila, look at that. Absolutely stunning. I am loving it. The hair is so gorgeous. The color combo is perfection. Like, look at that. You can tell I was feeling myself. Yeah, I was really feeling myself. I just can't help it. The back of the hair, the volume of the hair, the front, the side, everything is just perfection. Look at that. Look at that. I love it. I really love it. You guys can tell that I was just feeling myself. I was feeling myself. I couldn't help it. Sorry. The gorgeousness of the hair is just making me like feel myself, because the hair is giving what it's supposed to give, and I was in for it. Trust me. Look at that. Did you see that, guys? No glue, no gel, no spray, nothing, just the elastic band. And coupled with the fact that everything has been done for you straight out of the box, the knot has been bleached for you, so you don't have to do anything at all. And yeah, we are good to go. So stay tuned for my review, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Love Me Hair lace closure wig. As you guys can tell, I am feeling myself. I'm just gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight out of the box was the color of this hair. Like, gorgeous, absolutely stunning. Look at that. I love the color of this hair, and I actually tried to curl the hair, and I was impressed that the hair actually took to curl. It's actually a straight hair, but you can also curl it when you get tired of wearing the hair straight. I explain why the front looks a bit curly, because I had to, you know, brush up the curls. And yeah, another thing I love about this is the fact that the hair is actually really soft and very silky to touch. Look at that. And it's super duper full. Look at that. And at the same time is lightweight on the hair. As you guys already noticed while styling the hair, there was no shedding or tangling whatsoever. I really love the fact that the hair is actually true to length, and I love the fact that everything about this hair is just screaming perfection. Like, look at that. It has a gorgeous sheen to it straight out of the box, so you don't have to apply any product to it. And also bear in mind that this hair is actually 100% human hair. As I explained earlier, you can actually coil it if you want. So yeah, I love this hair, and I love the fact that there was no nasty smell to it. Also, it came with this elastic band as well, which I used to install this hair in this video. You don't need any glue or gel, and you don't need to pay anyone to install this hair for you. All you need to do is just cut your lace and you will be good to go. As you guys can already tell, I don't have any glue or gel. You know, I actually use the elastic band that will always, you know, manipulate the hair however you want. So yeah, if you guys don't know Love Me Hair, Love Me Hair, a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace closure wig, lace frontal wig, lace, you know, the colored hair, black hair. They have all types of hair colors, lengths and styles on their website. So if you visit their website, you definitely find something for you and your loved ones. And another thing I love about the brand is the fact that their shipping was really quick. It took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK. Also, they normally have sales on their website. So yeah, you definitely find something for you and your loved ones. So another thing I love about this hair is the quality of this hair, guys. The quality of their hair is always top notch. Look at that. No shedding, no tangling, super soft, very silky. you know, natural beautiful luster, and I love this. I really love this. I love this. I love the fact that the hair is really voluminous and you can actually style it however you. I really recommend this hair, absolutely. You guys already know when it comes to quality hair, Love Me Hair don't compromise. They always pay attention to details when it comes to the quality and the construction of their wig, and that for me is just one of the amazing reasons why I would always recommend this. Check out their website. So in terms of the quality of their hair, is definitely AA plus for me. In terms of their shipping, it's definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of the construction of the cap and the fact that everything has been done for you straight out of the box, is definitely AA plus for me. So yeah, I am loving this hair, and I would definitely recommend that you guys check out their website. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.